Hi guys, it's me Faith. With you today. So I just went outside. So yeah. Sorry. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. If you can't see him, I'm sorry. He's a pretty boy. Come on. Oh, I'm sorry. Come on, Toby. Guys, can I stick you right here? Give me five. Okay, Toby, come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. I guess Toby doesn't want to be seen today. I doesn't want no makeup on. Can you I'm going outside? Got it, April? Okay. Can't go outside. Can y'all see him now? I don't think so. But he's a really cute little baby. Sorry if y'all can't see him. And it's just like that. See, there's where I live. See that car? Yes, ma'am. Go there. See it? I got a pretty house. I mean, not bragging. Yeah, no. See, my mom loves decorating, if y'all can see that. Let me just get closer to it, because I really want y'all to see this. So I'm outside. Y'all can see. I'm outside. It's cold outside. Kinda it is, because my cheeks are cold. I just hurt my foot bad. Oh, not bad. Okay, we're going back inside. Got it? Yeah, you got it.
Put your thing in here and carry this in the living room for me.
Okay, guys, stay here.
Oh. Just set it in there for me.
On the couch?
On the floor in front of the couch.
I'm coming back, guys. Hey, Toby, get out of that. Get out of there. Can I get him with it? If I find one? Hey guys, I'm looking for a dryer sheet. My baby. Toby, you want to help me find one? Would you like to help me, Toto? You're helping? Are you sure? Yeah, I'm trying to give y'all some light. Hold on, guys, can you like stay right here? Sorry if y'all can't see me. Okay, my dog loves dryer sheets. Okay, smells good. Don't say. I'm going in. Do you want me to push this in out? It's too cold. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause you right real quick, okay? Okay, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Okay. Oh, Lisa! Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube.
Bye.
No, hi.
Oh, hey.
Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. It's too cold to go outside. Obviously, it is because I'm back. If y'all live in North Carolina and see
Who are you talking to? Asking
YouTube.
that question.
YouTube,
Get down.
YouTube,
Down.
What's that, Kyle?
Down.
comment
Yeah.
down
In
below
the room.
if you guys do not have school Tuesday, tomorrow, practically. Because I don't. Okay, guys. Question of the day. Let me think. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, guys, I'm
Listen, your
back.
father's sleeping.
Question of the day. What is your
It's an
favorite
eraser.
food?
Get it. Come here,
My
Toby.
favorite food
Come here. He's gonna
is
go.
pizza. Good pizza. Okay. So, bye guys. Follow on Musical.ly. Comment down below what's your favorite food.
You're gonna have what
Like,
we're having, okay? So we're gonna
subscribe.
have to wait a minute.
Bye guys.
No.